Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. What I wanted to do is make a quick video and do a check-in. So I am using the Easy Cash Budget Planner with Cash, that is not right, Easy Cash Budget Planner with Saving Challenge Special Edition. This planner is by Salisa over at Beautifully Me and You. You can find this planner on Amazon and it will be linked down below. First, let's go ahead and take a look at my calendar. As you can see, I did have 2 days of spending. Not too bad, especially with today being the 14th. Also, you guys may see this video this evening, if not tomorrow. So as of the 14th, I haven't really been spending much. So let's check out my transactions. But before that, I wanted to show you all something that I did. So when it comes to this sheet, I budgeted for everything but the AT&T bill, and I noticed that a couple of days ago. So let's see where that money came from. Of course, I can easily wait until my next paycheck to budget the full bill, but I'm not. So this is what I did. So as you can see, I actually didn't budget for AT&T at all, and at the end of the budget, I had $36.63 left. So what I did, the $30 that I had left, and I took some money from Christmas to make the $32.50. So in reality, I only saved $4.13 for Christmas. And that's it. That's how I rectified everything. Of course, I didn't want to wait until my next paycheck, so I just went ahead and sent the money from Alley to Navy Federal. That way, when my credit card is due, I can just pay that bill in full next month. So let's go ahead and finally check out my spending. So as you know, I didn't use any prop money this time, and my cash envelopes are empty except for maybe a couple of dollars. So at the top of my expense tracker, I did put what everything should have gotten, and on the 4th I went grocery shopping. That should have held us about 2 days, maybe almost 3. Spent 40 bucks, had $159 left. On the 4th, I sent $23.97 from spending to Capital One. On the 5th, I sent some money to my Leaders Credit Union, which was for the gas. On the 5th, I also sent money to Discover to pay for that overage that I had based on the plan that you all seen in the previous video. On the 6th, there was money spent for Lyft for $8.94. On the 8th, there was also a spend day for Taco Bell. It was kind of late, so we did end up going to Taco Bell. On the 10th, we did order breakfast, or pretty much I ordered breakfast that morning since I did not go to the grocery store and needed to go again. On the 9th, I needed to get some food before I go to the, get some food before going to the dentist. And when I did do my first appointment, I actually was able to go back to the dentist that evening so they can start my treatment plan. So I did get some food from Dunkin', but I never actually picked it up. So now I'm trying to get a refund for that. And on the 11th, we have Uber Eats. Where did we eat? We ate from Hello Hot Chicken, which is right down the street. I did get a discount. What is that? A discount of, I think it was 40% off. I also did this scratch off, which I will link it in the video. Hi everybody, I know I probably don't have the money for this and shouldn't scratch, but I'm going to do it anyway to kind of be on the bold side. So I'm going to scratch this to send over to one of my sinking funds. So let's go ahead and scratch. So I need to send $1 over to one of my savings challenges. I'm going to probably put that in the support challenge. Bye. While I'm talking, it was only for $1. On the 12th, we went grocery shopping. Travis paid $200 for the groceries, and I only was out of $5.57 since he didn't have any other change on him. but that's okay. On the 13th, got a charge for Uber for $7.16. So currently, in my checking account, I still have $28.54 for spending and $32 in my Navy Federal account for spending. For gas, I still have $34.03. Of course, when it comes to the other things, car things still have $10 HBA, still have $10 miscellaneous, still have that $15, not 13, $15 and some change. Travis, I did give him his full $10. Thankful still has $10. Bless, which is Jasmine, still have $10. Give, I still have $5 in cash. And of course, we already know what we have for spending and gas. So everything is written out correctly. And when I take a look at my checking account, I do see that the money that's there equals up to this amount. Also, for my checking account, I do have other money there as well that's not spendable. So it's just kind of hanging out, since I do get a 5% interest on my checking account with making 15 transactions. I do hope you all have a great rest of your day. You know what? Let's go ahead. Well, I'll do it in a separate video. Bye.